In the world of gymnastics, one name shines brighter than the rest. Her name is Simone Biles.
Streetlights flicker in the city's heart we roam, under skyscrapers where the dreamers call their home. Every corner tells a story, every shadow holds a dream. In the rhythm of the night, nothing's
First,
as it seems.
add clips.
Every step we take, the city's alive. With the drum of our dreams we strive. Through the hustle we find our tune, under the watchful eye of the moon. City dreams
Second,
where the stars
add
meet
music.
the lights. In the fusion of love taking flight, electric piano laying down the beat. In this urban wonderland we feel complete.
Third, add AI Voiceover and Subtitle.
From the echoes of the alley to the whispers of the park, every dream's a spark in the city's heart. With every beat, our dreams dance untamed and free. On the streets we find who we're meant to be. City dreams where the stars meet the lights. In the fusion of love taking flight, electric piano laying down the beat. In this urban wonderland we feel complete.
In the world of gymnastics, one name shines brighter than the rest. Her name is Simone Biles, a talented athlete who has defied gravity and shattered records with her awe-inspiring performances. But beyond her incredible skills, Simone's journey is a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and unwavering self-belief. At the Paris Olympics, Simone Biles made her highly anticipated debut despite a left leg injury that left her limping. With her ankle taped up for support, she showed her resilience and determination by leading her qualifying group and delivering an outstanding performance, just as she always does.
We feel complete.